This is John from Kenya Online College, and today I want us to discuss something very important. And students have been asking me how can I make money online, and I thought that probably I should make a video for them and give you ideas if you're a student how you can make money online. So one of the very easy way of making money online as a student is something that you can not even think of: selling your notes. So if you have soft copy notes, there are so many platforms that you can actually sell your notes, and this includes a platform like modhurwa.com. You just require to be creative a bit, you sell your notes. Also, you can compile an ebook. For example, there is this, you are doing engineering and there is this particular difficult topic that people struggle with. You can compile a whole ebook, you sell to them at 200 shillings. It is something I've tried, and sometimes you can end up getting 300, 500 shillings each and every day, and you know that's good money if you're a student. It's another easy way is surveys, doing surveys online. You know, surveys are simply questions. There are sites that offer you questionnaires. As a student, during break time, during lunch hour, you can take your time off and fill 1, 2, 3 questionnaires. Some pay as much as $3. Another way you can make money online is by testing applications. You know, those apps that you see on Google Play Store. Also testing websites. Have some websites that they offer those jobs through, including Appen. And if you go to those websites and you apply for a gig as an app tester, it will be paying you some small cash on the side. And eventually, if you become good and people are giving you very good reviews, eventually it can be a nice way of making extra cash on the side as a student. Another way is by doing data entry. Data entry is simply typing. If you are good in Excel, especially Excel, there are people who look for guys to help them type numbers, you know, a lot of spreadsheets into the computer. If you're that guy who is very good in something like Excel, you could look for data entry gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, they are there, and People Per Hour, remotework.com. There are so many of them, and try to see if you can get some data entry gigs. Next way is transcription. Transcription involves you know, typing what is being said on a video. Like this video, you will just be required to listen to me, listen to what I'm saying, and carefully type that. Basically, very simple. Some of the platforms that you can consider as a starter is Casting Words, there is Transcribe Me. As you move up, there is Lev.com, and you only require to learn how transcription is done, and once you're able to do that, you get paid. Translation services are another quite fairly selling online hustle. Yours will be to translate from language A to language B. Consider looking for translation services gigs, and again, you'll be finding them in sites like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour. There are so many of them. Guru.com, there are so many of them. In these ways that you're going to be discussing now, you need some bit of skills. The first one is working as a digital marketer. Your work will be to attract followers, to attract audience to the various online platforms for the business, pages, groups, you know, Instagram pages, you know, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, the website, you know, doing content for the website, doing videos like this. You know, your work is to try and use the many tactics that are supposed to be used in digital marketing to bring people to the company online, so that you can also persuade these people to buy from the company. The salary can be quite good, especially if you're good. Jobs are available locally. There are also Western companies that hire digital marketers. It's well paying. You only require to learn the craft, be good at it, and over time you could find yourself working as a fully fledged digital marketer, an expert in that line, and end up making some cool cash. So if you're this guy who loves computers, maybe has an interest in marketing, learn digital marketing, we could help you do that at Kenya Online College, and at some point you can end up making a lot of money as a digital marketer. If not digital marketing, probably you may consider doing graphic designing. Your work will be doing brochures, doing banners, doing logos, doing posters. There is a lot, you know, design is creativity, and if you know how to use softwares like Adobe, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Canva, these are softwares that we can teach you how to use at Kenya Online College. And once you're able to learn how to use those softwares, you start marketing yourself online. Gigs are also available in international platforms like Fiverr. We even have specialized graphic designing platforms for graphic designers that you can sell your services in. ICT guys, if you are a student who is taking ICT, and you have this passion, this deep love for programming, then I recommend that you consider commercializing your coding skills online. You may be required to code online softwares, online based softwares that you see on App Store. Those are those that we call apps. People need softwares. You go to Fiverr, you go to Upwork, you see people looking for good software developers. Programmers are one of the guys who make a lot of money online, and there is no good reason why you cannot make a living as a software engineer, an online software engineer working from home. But you can make money online too as a video editor. YouTube's like this. Once I shoot them, I'll be requiring someone to help me edit them. You could be that guy. There are many jobs. There are so many videos uploaded on YouTube every day. And of course TikTok, by the way. You could even be combining your online video editing gigs with offline ones. You only require to learn video editing, and you can learn that from the comfort of your home. You can even come to places like Kenya Online College. We teach you how to do that. Once you finish learning, you can be doing video editing for people and making some good cash. When I've seen a video editor on Upwork who is always booked, and that guy has really made some good money. A really creative way of making money online is by reselling things on platforms like Gigi. You'll be looking for products that seem to move fast. For example, laptops, cheap laptops. Once somebody posts, you create an account there. That is, you start by creating an account there, get that product, repost it under your own details, put a higher price, be a bit creative in the posting than the original poster. Have people send money to you, remove your cart, send the money to the original poster. So the original poster will be sending the product to the client, give the delivery details to the poster, and the delivery details will be the delivery details of the client where the product is being sent to. And that's all. So the original poster will be sending the product to the client. So you found the client, the original poster will do the delivery for you, and you make your money. Even sometimes you can just have an arrangement with the seller or sellers of products in town, and people who sell TVs, blah blah blah. You go there, you talk to the warriors there, take photos, go post those products on Gigi. People send money to you, go get the product, even talk to the warrior, send him the money without going there, let them package the product and have it delivered to the buyer, wherever they are. By the way, you're not just limited to Gigi. You can go to Piggy and Me. You can go to Facebook marketplaces, even TikTok. By the way, platforms like Jumia, they pay good commissions. Here you'll be doing affiliate marketing. That's what we call it. And you apply to Jumia as an affiliate marketer. The final way that I can probably recommend is working as a virtual assistant online. They do everything: sending mails, replying to emails, making calls, scheduling social media posts, preparing presentations, doing a bit of Excel, transcribing a bit of video editing, a bit of graphics. There's a little bit of everything. As a virtual assistant, you are an online secretary to a boss somewhere, to an executive somewhere in an online company, or even a physical company that requires, that is doing a lot of things online. And you be that person who will be trusted to do those basic things. Pay is per hour. The more the skills you have, the better for you, the higher the likelihood that you get some well-paying gigs. We train a virtual assistant here at Kenya Online College. So consider becoming a virtual assistant if you feel that you want to make some money online as a student, and you know all these things, or you are willing to learn them.